Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 and a half Forestriver XLR 407 toy hauler fifth wheel. This is a brand new floor plan for the XLR lineup. This is again the XLR Nitro, and this is a front kitchen toy hauler. We're going to take a few minutes and run you around the inside and then back out to the outside of this new RV. Alright guys, we're now up inside the new XLR Nitro 407. And again, the 407 model is basically the same thing as the 405 model, just does not have the half bath in the back. So we're going to start up here in the kitchen section. So front kitchen RV here. Unit has the 12 cubic foot gas and electric refrigerator system. A lot of kitchen counter space, some storage space and stuff here. A lot of drawers underneath storage sections and stuff. Stainless sink, does have the little strainer plate thing across the top. High-rise pull-out sprayer faucet. And there you can kind of see the cool little windshield setup. Now in the kitchen area, they do kind of a two-tone look. So you've got kind of a bleach white looking kind of cabinet up top there. And then you have a darker cabinet on the bottom. Little LED light strip there. There's also a drawer down below that refrigerator. Spin back around here. More storage. Got the large microwave there. Traditional ducted RV air conditioning system here. There's also a fan up here. Then over on the other side, you have your cook area. So you have the Furrion gas oven, has a 3-burner stove top, and a little flip down glass front door there with a built-in light, LED knobs. Lots more drawer space and cabinet space here. Pretty good size windows that do actually open, so you get a pretty good cross breeze throughout the coach. A lot of seating areas. You can actually seat 6 people in here pretty comfortably. The main seat that is facing the TV is a recliner, so it is a theater seat. Electric fireplace, which again is basically a fancy space heater, but they're pretty cool. Good size flat screen TV. Stereo system there. It does have the HDMI input port for it. I'm going to spin back around here, kind of show you the area again. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of these new RVs that are coming in and out. We've got a lot of nice units that are rolling in with all the new mid-year model changes and stuff. There you can see the little tables. Those are removable, but they do kind of spin around too, so you can kind of twist them in and out of your way as you're getting in and out of the seat area. Lot of linoleum floor. This is one thing I really love on these new RVs. A lot of them are starting to do no carpet. So this is pretty cool. That's one of the things Nitro is trying to get away from, is the carpet in the RVs. Again, they're kind of expecting some of the customers to be out doing the whole mudding and toy hauling and four-wheeling kind of thing. So less carpet in here, the better for those customers. Going on down the area here, right inside is the main control panel for lights and monitor panels, tank heaters, generator start stops and stuff like that. Jack controls, air conditioner controls, a lot of things right there. Now down here on the right, which is basically right in front of the entry door when you very first walk in, is your bathroom area basically. This is the master bath. If you do the 405 model, again, you get the half bath in the back. But this 407, this is your only bathroom. So you have the toilet down below, foot flush toilet. One-piece fiberglass shower, has a curtain set up on it. And you've got a large skylight up above, traditional medicine cabinet there, a little bit of storage down below. But overall, a decent little bathroom. You know, so you do have some room to kind of get in and out of here a little bit. Going on back to the back, you have your master bedroom area. And again, this has two slides in this one across from each other. So you've got your traditional queen bed here, some overhead cabinets, little nightstands on both sides of the bed. Plenty of room to get in and out of the bed area, maneuver around, get dressed, all that good stuff. So a lot of room at the foot of your bed. Lots more drawer space, good amount of cabinet space. Pretty good size area for a flat screen TV there if you want to do a TV. Another turbo fan up there. I like the multi-color paneling and stuff in the bedroom area. Just kind of breaks up things, makes it look a little different. And then you do have some overhead storage up here too. Now going back into the garage area here, you have the traditional Happy Jack kind of bed system. Actually, it's not Happy Jack, it's a different brand, but you have the traditional up and down bed system in there. But XLR did a little different coloration to their furniture, which is kind of nice. It's just kind of different. Everybody's doing black furniture back here. So it's kind of nice to see something a little bit different back here. And then you have your bed up top, which is penned up out of the way, but you could sleep 4 people back here if you need to. Little table area if you want to put some tables back here. It comes with tables. This customer chose to not do the patio deck system, but does still have the cables with it. I'll walk on out here to the deck area and turn around so you can see this a little better. You have the little beaver tail section there. You can see all your 5,000-pound D-rings in the floor. And they wanted to do the washer dryer there on the left. So you have stackable washer dryer, and by doing the 407 model, the half bath is gone that's normally there on the left. So they basically replaced the half bath with a washer dryer so they could do a little more full-time use. Overall, pretty cool, unique unit. These units come in, depending on the options and stuff that you choose on them, they're usually somewhere close to the $60,000 to $63,000 range. Again, kind of depending on what you want on the unit. But overall, pretty cool setup. Again, guys, we're going to head to the outside now, show you around the outside and all the massive storage out there. All right, guys, we're now back on the outside of the new XLR Nitro 407 toy hauler fifth wheel here. And again, you will see this is basically the same floor plan as the 405 front kitchen Nitro, just doesn't have that half bath. Looking at the front, you have a really nice fiberglass cap here with the windshield built into the front that you've seen from inside. And you also have some LED lights built into the front section there as well. Down below is the generator compartment. This was ordered with the Onan 5500 watt generator. And on the right hand side there is the battery compartment stuff over there. There is also another LED light up there to kind of help you at nighttime when you need to get around or just hook up. 2 slide outs on this side of the coach. Power awning with the LED light, adjustable arms for tilting the unit for water runoff. And it also has the little manual override up there in the head. So you can put a socket and ratchet in there and manually crank it in case of a failure process. It's a little nicer and easier to manually override than some of the other awnings on the market. Back in behind here, single 30-pound propane tank on this side of the coach. The other one is on the opposite side. And there you can kind of see the motor system for this particular jack, but this has the ground control electric auto level system on it. A lot of outside storage on this compared to most toy haulers because of this front kitchen, raised rear living room design, or raised middle living room design. So you have a lot of outside storage here. You can kind of see up there aluminum studded floor studs. And they're also using a plywood flooring decking instead of OSB like a lot of brands use. Another big storage compartment here, again going all the way across, so a lot of outside storage here. And you got your little central vac there on the left. Panning on around here, you have the more ride steps going up and down the coach right here. This step is a little bit stronger, heavier duty than the traditional hover step, which you'll find in the garage area back there. This is the main door area, so you're running in and out here more often. So they do put the upgraded step here. They do the traditional RV step in the back so that it doesn't take up 6 inches of width in your garage. Some people need that extra width in the garage area for all the toys they're loading. And when you flip these steps up into the doorway, it does take up some space. Traditional RV screen door and entry door here, large folding entry handle. Deep tent safety glass windows. This particular customer ordered his with dual pane windows on it. So that is an available feature if you're looking to camp in the more extreme heat or cold weather. Now back here you have an outdoor TV with a couple speakers there. It's a pretty cool little setup, so you can watch TV outside, and the door kind of acts as a little bit of a awning barrier there. Triple axle system. These are 7,000-pound axles. You also have the little MoreRide 3000 suspension system in between there. Nice upgrade for an axle system. And you can also kind of see the LED light strip down there. And then the unit does have a covered underbelly as well. That just kind of, again, helps extend the camping season. And has 12-volt heat pads on the tanks, again, to help with extending the camping season into the colder weather. Large folding entry handle back here on the rear of the coach as well. Spin back around here so you kind of look down the side a little bit. It's a little tight in here today. They've got the garage pretty loaded with RVs, so I don't have a lot of room to maneuver around here. But, don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in keeping up with more of my videos on these new RVs coming in. On the back here, we've got the ramp door kind of up in the air a little bit here, but the ramp door normally drops down. It's got the little beaver tail section of the floor there to make it easier to load things in and out of. And you have pre-wire for backup camera if you want to put a backup camera on the unit. 2 docking lights up there. Now you can get the porch decking and stuff around the back if you want. This customer chose not to do that, but that is an available feature if you want. Ladder on the back of the coach there, so you can get up and down pretty easy. Full walk-on roof. Down here in the back section, you can see underneath of there, spare tire mounted underneath the bottom. And you got a little dump hose holder down there, and also have the gas station pump, your fuel station, gas station pump right there. And again, you've seen the washer dryer that was inside, and when you do the washer dryer and stuff back there, there is a separate dump for the washer dryer back here. That does not have an actual tank. That basically just runs right out the side if you're doing the washer dryer feature. Dryer vent installed there on the side, and then you can see the other vent there for the garage area up top. Down here in the bottom section, you can kind of see your main dump with your gray, galley, and black handles all right here on the left-hand side. Furnace exhaust out here, detachable power cord right there. The other side of the storage compartment area here. And down below, again, you can see the generator exhaust area right there. The big massive storage compartments here. Love that feature on this model. And up inside here, you have your little docking station hookup area. So you have your winterizing valve, city water, fresh water, all that stuff fills up right here. Battery disconnects, jack control for the front system right here. Also have your battery disconnect again and some cable satellite hookups and stuff right there. Behind this door is your 10-gallon gas electric water heater. And then behind the other door here on the left is your other 30-pound propane tank. The slam lock baggage doors on your main doors there. Stand back and kind of let you look down this side here, give you a good view of it. So you got 2 slides on the other side, 2 slides on this side. So again, quad slide out unit. The black panel there is the refrigerator access panel for maintenance. The unit has, again, the gas electric refrigerator system in it. So that's why you'll see the black panel on the side, where the traditional residential fridges that you're seeing in some of these things don't actually have that section. All right, guys, check us out, couchesrvnation.com, one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in keeping up with more videos.